Read me, with topic.
Media and culture.
3, 2, 1, go.
Media and culture. Media and culture are intertwined, with media playing a significant role in shaping and reflecting cultural attitudes, values, and norms. Media includes all forms of communication, including print, broadcast, and digital media. Culture encompasses the shared beliefs, customs, and practices of a society, as well as its art, music, and literature. Media can influence cultural norms and values by promoting certain ideas and representations, while also reflecting and reinforcing existing cultural beliefs and practices. Culture, in turn, can influence media by shaping the content and format of media products. The relationship between media and culture is complex and multidirectional, with both influencing and being influenced by each other in various ways.